This is a practical tutorial on how to connect running lights. So this is how it looks like. This is a running light. So this light is about 10 meters length, but some it's not up to 10 meters, but that's by the way. Here is the connector, 3-pin connector for the running lights, and we have here the remote, the sensor remote for the running lights. Let me bring it out so that everyone can see it. Okay, the manual is inside, and here is the sensor, here is the remote, and the battery or fuse, whatever one you wish to call it. Then we have 100 watts driver. Okay, so, and I have Cat 6 cable here and flexible cable, but I will be doing this video with Cat 6. Then let's continue with the connection. So first of all, you have to connect your driver. So this driver has 2 ports, has inputs and outputs. So this input is where AC, your raw current will go into. The output will go into the distance strip light, DC. Alright, so this driver converts AC to DC. Now let's connect the driver. So this driver has 2 terminals. Okay, 3 terminals here. In the input side have live, neutral, and earth, but we'll be making use of live and neutral. Then red we go into our live, we tight clockwise, then black into neutral, then we tight clockwise. So that's it. Now next thing is to run connection on your running light. So this is the running light, here is the sensor. So this sensor you have to insert it in here, plug it here. Alright, it's now already plugged. Now these 2 remaining wire is what we go into the output of the driver. Alright, but in a situation where the distance at which your driver is located is far away from this cable, this running light, you have to introduce extension cable. So this is Cat 6, and here is flexible wire. You can use flexible wire for this operation, or you can use Cat 6. So let's use Cat 6 for this operation. Now we will be using white for our neutral, and colored blue and red will go together for our life. Then we have to tape it, insulator tape, have to tape so that the cable will not join.